Hello, my name is Robert Soto, and I'm here to introduce our distributor partner in Kansas and surrounding area. My local manager, Bob Landreth, and I met with Bruce and Cameron at their business facility. The purpose of this message is to announce our newly joined business partner, Quality Automotive Equipment Services, QAES. We are continuing to build partnerships throughout the U.S. The notion is that we believe through this field partnership, we can accomplish more for you, our OEM dealer. Services ranging from simple equipment purchase or an add-on to your facility to renovating and helping you build your future dealership service area. QAES's mission aligns with our goals. As your program advisor, to provide you, our mutual customer, a single point of contact to bring you solutions that fulfill all your equipment needs. Think about that for a second. To bring you all of your equipment needs through a professional team of subject matter experts working together as total solutions providers. If you're interested in speaking with us, please click the link below to reach your fixed operations consultants, a service brought to you at no charge by your OEM support team. Thank you, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.